What's going on, YouTube? OCD for EDC here. What I've got for your face balls today, we've got a nice little white box to open here. And, you know, who doesn't like a nice white box, right? So, let's pull out this little guy. We're going to check this out with the old Spyderco K2. If I need to sharpen this thing, obviously. Let's see what we got going on in here. If I can get all the tape cut. There we go. Boom. Look at that. We got one. We've got two. We've got this and this. And that is it. So what we've got here are a couple St. Nick's exclusives from Spyderco. The newest of the St. Nick's exclusive. And this is going to be a real quick little video. We're just going to pop these open. We're going to take a gander and see how sharp these are right out the box. So let's check them out. If you guys didn't already know, these are the St. Nick's exclusive Mannix 2 XLs. Now, just to show you what comes in the box, they come with the old Spyderco sticker, the old little card here telling you that this is steel that will rust. Keep that in mind. And then you get this piece of paper right here. You can pause right there and read if you would like to do so. But it's going to tell you that this is Spyderco exclusive with St. Nick's, and it is in DLC coated CPM 4V blade steel, red G10 Mannix 2 XL, super bitchin' knife that I certainly am a fan of for sure. So let's pull out the pair of them because I got two. You know how it is. So these were allowed 2 per customer, and I ended up getting 2. These things sold out almost immediately. Just a little FYI. Here's my St. Nick's exclusive Mannix 2 compared to the XL variant. We'll set these out like so, just to give you a little size comparison here. So you can see, not a huge difference in handle length, but a pretty significant difference in blade length here. And I mean, the handle is certainly longer, but it's been a while since I measured a Mannix 2. I honestly don't remember. 3.379 inches of blade on the Mannix 2. And overall handle length, 4.665 inches. All right. 3.862 inch blade right there. Pocket clips on the wrong side for left-handed operation. And 5.1 inch handle. All right. So there you go. That's your dimensions. CPM 4V. Can't go wrong with that. Both of these examples, let's just take a gander. Both of the blade centering looks fantastic. Let's check out the grind here. Nice. Looks pretty even. Grind doesn't go all the way back, but you know, these things could benefit from a choil, sharpening choil. This one looks pretty much identical. So these look pretty fantastic. No blemishes. Yeah, I think they're just for a quick overview, they look really good. All right, let's get down to business. This is what we really want to see, right? Let's see how sharp these things came out the box. It was a good looking box, so I got high hopes that these knives are in spectacular working order. Let's turn this on. Let's see. Does it help to do the backlight? Maybe. I don't know. All right. Let's see what we got here on... You know what? I'm going to try... This knife I've carried a whole bunch. we'll see what kind of edge is on my CPM 4V Manix 2. All right, here we go. Okay, it's a respectable 135. Not a bad result. For those that don't know, we're looking for anything under 200 for a really nice, keen edge. Sometimes out of the box, there are several knives that do not hit that 200 mark. You know, we get down in sub 100s. That's next level. If we get down into something less than 80, that's just incredibly sharp. So just to let you know, I was the one that ran the sharpness tester for Blade HQ out at Blade Show West, and the knife that won on that day was a 101. So just to put this into comparison, so this knife that I've carried quite a bit and sharpened many times over was a 135, which is, like I said, totally respectable. Let's see what we got here on this old girl. Right out the box. Here we go. Holy shit. Okay, so that was a 60 on this bad boy right here. That is a phenomenal edge for a straight edge. Generally a 60. Spyderco can generally get a 60 on some serrated stuff because serrations are chiseled ground. So just by their very nature, they have a keener apex than a double edge secondary bevel. That is fantastic. That's getting down into the sharpest knife we've ever tested, right out of the box. Okay. There we go. If this one beats that one, that will be pretty spectacular. All right, here we go. $65. That's all right. I feel like these were so close. I feel like we need to test them again, because a 60 and a 65, yeah, that is, both of these are next level sharp. All right, I'm gonna go back just a little further on the blade. Let's see what we're working with here. Damn, 70. Holy shit. That was testing a different spot on the blade. These things are incredibly sharp, both of these knives. That's pretty remarkable. All right. All right, here we go. Let's see what we get here on the old Manix and CPM 4V. You bitch. Holy shit. Okay, guys. That's a mic drop moment right there. Officially, the sharpest knife that I have ever tested right out of the box. This guy right here with a 45 grams on the sharpness tester. Hands down, the sharpest EDC kind of knife coming out of the factory. Not even close, actually. I think the closest thing that I've tested was like a 55, maybe, and that was on serrations, not on a plain edge blade. So that is, yeah, that's no joke. Okay, well, there you go. I could sit here and do this all night, but I'm just going to go ahead and put that thing away. Here is the two Manix 2 XLs, brand new from St. Nick's. There is my very worn in and carried Manix 2 St. Nick's exclusive. Super cool knives. Yeah, these things are awesome. Really dig them. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. I'm out of here. Peace.